What do you think you're doing? Ouch! Ouch! That hurts! No! Oh! What's happening, Valerie? Why is all this white stuff coming down on us? My foot is all wet. Ugh, look at all the slush. It is going to stay, apparently. And what are you writing, Val? Are you just making snowball? Ouch! Ew! My feet is all wet. So this is king spot when it snows, and it looks like it's going to be a fair bit of snow coming down. It's not sticking yet, but it will be sticking soon. I mean sticking. Oi! Oi! Do you want a war? I'm being attacked. Who's attacking me? Ouch! There is quite a bit of snow. Okay. Hey Val, what are you doing? What are you girls doing? Ow! That is not fair. I thought you were building something?
We're building a snow mountain.
Snow what?
Snow mountain.
Mountain. Oh, are you 有冇 flag 㗎? You gonna put a flag in there?
I'm going to put a leaf for a flag.
Ah. This is the first real snow we have in Kingsport this year.
Awesome, look! Look! Wow. It's going to be a top. And I'm going to press it down. Coming. Thank you.
Wow, so much snow.
It's going to be big.
What are you girls up to? That's not fair. Why are you always gang up on me? I'm just gonna tape your snowman. Oi! I'm getting attacked. Why don't you throw at each other? I'll tape it.
No! Ready for a snow fight? Wait.
You guys gotta be closer. It's not fair. I'm defenseless. I'm defenseless. You don't attack anybody defenseless. Wah! Yes, you can. This is so pretty, isn't it, Val?
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
Hot chocolate.
Are you cold?
No way.
We're just enjoying the snow, listening to Christmas carol, chilling out on the porch. It would be nice if we can have a warmer, like a fire pit or something. I'm not that cold actually. And for some reason the Christmas light is not working. Yeah, but it's not working. I don't know why. Now we have a lot more snow than before. See how much snow there is now? There's at least 2-3 inches now. And that's our Mr. Snowman. And we're just chilling in there. Very pretty. I think the road started to disappear now, so driving should be fun.
What are you making, Val? Okay. 係喎，你都搞得冇開嘅，你開嚟開去嘛？佢 she cannot move her leg. Daddy, she cannot move her feet. She's stuck. Snow Angel。
No movement 嘅。
係咯，佢 move 唔到嘛。
You gotta swing 㗎嘛。
She's getting up. Okay.
There.
Wow, look at the amount of snow. Ooh, it's all white now. Somebody just refused to come out. Boo to you, booyah. Are you making another one? Okay, let me see. Move your leg. Good, Snow Angel. Ah! Yay, that looks much better.
Hello, Val. Oh, where is she? There she is. Hey, we've got so much snow. I think that's at least 6 to 8 inches. And we've got the new member of the team here. Wow, this is a huge snowman. We've spent hours building it. Mommy, can you go and stand next to it?
Okay.
So we can see how big it is.
It's definitely gonna be taller than me.
Yes. See how this thing is at least 6 foot tall.
More than 6 foot.
Yeah, this is huge. Yeah, we do things large scale over here. And then just to show you how beautiful it is. I think the snow has stopped now. So we're just gonna enjoy the snow for a little bit. Hopefully the snow is gonna be clear on the road so we can catch a flight tomorrow. Oh, I mean Monday. Alright, see you later.